bacon and eggs and pancakes and coffee. Woohoo! All right, this day is off to a terrific start. It is Sonia. Thank you for joining me back here on my channel. I am a daily vlogger, which means every single day I put up a video. If you enjoy my videos, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. And if you've been around these parts for a while, I appreciate you. I would love it if you would give me a big thumbs up, leave me a comment below. It allows me to take time every single day to make these videos for you. So if you love them, I'll keep them coming. So I'm just starting my day here with a book. So let me catch you up on where I've been so far. This is my second coat of our Midnight Blue and our Junk Monkey Chalky style paint. Sticks to pretty much anything under the sun. And now the second layer is drying because we're gonna do a book flip today. I'm not talking about the good books, okay? So calm down, calm down. I'm talking about the books that are gonna make it to the trash anyway. The stuff that's gonna be discarded anyway. You know what? You can salvage that stuff too. Yay! It is pretty much dry. I did a little brush over the pages. A quick tip, when you are painting a book, I like to put it on top of something and hold it open and paint over the tint. I'm gonna grab my can of Mocha Madness and now I'm gonna go over with a top layer. I'm gonna go for an antique book effect. I love that Shabby chip brush because do you see already the look that it gives me? Now we let this coat dry. Okay, so while that book is drying right back here, I'm just gonna let it air dry. I'm gonna go ahead and grab myself a Poe, and I'm gonna grab the bee because I think this would be super cute on here. Which one is your favorite Poe? It's our newest line of embellishments, pieces of embellishments that you can add to your furniture, your signs, decor, and more. And we've done them in a black, which makes it super easy for you to dry brush. Man, it is just gorgeous. Oh, I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Look how he just came to life. Isn't that beautiful? I love sand blocks. You can get them at junkmonkeypaint.com when you put in your order. Throw in a few of these because you know what? Your fingers will love you later. Now what I'm gonna do is distress the edges of my book. Already, it just looks like it's seen years of use. Quick tip, if I wanted to as well, I could also distress my bee. So let's pull out one of my stencil books. I really think I like this one. It feels very, very just floral, vintagey, very just delicate, kind of lacy looking. Black velvet. Load our brush and add a little design. Loving how this is looking so far. Next step, let's grab our Poe, our Queen Bee Poe. Glue, all the supplies. You can find the glue too over with the Poes. What's nice about this glue is it is like 30 seconds. Hold it for 30 seconds and you are good to go. How about right there? As if it already couldn't get any better. Yep, you guessed it, we are going to add some Junk Monkey antiquing glaze. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my stash of my brown. So I'm just gonna go ahead and brush my glaze on over everything, including the Poe. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is get our cheesecloth damp, not soaking wet, just damp. And now we can go ahead and pull it right off, leaving it only in the areas that we wanna leave it. Isn't he looking fabulous? Totally changes the look of this book. Loving where this is at so far. Now I'm gonna do what we call around the Junk Monkey the eyeliner effect, and this is where we do some edging. So if I'm using brown glaze, I'm going to pull out my candy bar brown to match up with it. I'm gonna add in a little bit of our lovely shiny, big shiny dreams for your furniture Pete, which is our metallic paint and sealer all in one, because I think this would be a beautiful finish for this book. I'm gonna grab a Shabby chip brush when I apply this sealer because I want it to go on, give it a sheen, but not completely cover all those beautiful colors that we just laid down. Just a nice light coat. I don't wanna hide all that beautiful work that I just did, but I do wanna make it super old looking. A little bit of sheen to that, and now we have a whole new level of antiqueness. So we put a little twine around here, just kind of tied it around, and now it makes it look like a old bind book. So if you have a couple other books to put underneath it, maybe the ones that you also paint an antique, leave your Poe for the very top one so that way it sits on nice and even, and you could create a set of books. The other fun thing would be like if you have any sort of little skeleton keys, or if you have any little tags or trinkets or something like that you want to just kind of hang and attach right there, that would be beautiful. I'm deciding just to add in a few little splatters just to, again, add to the antique look of this piece. This is just a little Junk Monkey paint on a toothbrush with some water. And it'll stick right on. I've got a few more books that I'm going to be doing this to as well, so stay tuned here on the vlog because maybe I'll show you those as well. And just knowing that you can create this look, whether it's on furniture, whether it's on a book, with the help of Poe and Junk Monkey paint is amazing. Is amazing. There is nothing that you cannot do. If you can dream it, you can do it. I hope you guys make a book as well. Make sure you post your pictures over at Junk Monkey Paint Projects over on Facebook. It's a free sharing group. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. It allows me to show up every single day teaching you all these fancy schmancy tricks. Oh, the power of paint, baby. I'll see you guys tomorrow.